Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my birthday vlog. Now the footage you're seeing right now isn't on my actual birthday. This is kind of like multiple days mashed into one, and this wasn't my original intro, and what I'm saying in these clips are basically explaining what the video is about, but I did a really bad job, so it was really confusing on how I explained it, so I'm going to re-explain it in a voiceover. So basically the first couple of clips of footage is just me getting my nails done on the day before my birthday and my party. July 19th is my actual birthday, and I did throw in some bonus footage which you'll see later. But then July 21st, the Saturday, is my party. So that's why when I put in like the little timestamp in the bottom left, the time and the date really changed throughout the video. So now the actual vlog is going to begin, and hope you guys enjoy. So now we're ready to go to the mall. I'm going to ride my bike instead of walking because my legs are dead. So I'm successfully here and finally got the freaking bike to lock on the railing. This isn't even the entrance that I'm supposed to be going in, technically, because the nail salon is in the mall and this is Boscov's in the mall. But they were like doing painting or remodeling at the entrance that I needed to go in, so I couldn't use that one.
Go right there. I'm joking. I'm joking.
Just finished up with my nails. 12:30. That lady took a really long time. I love them so much. I did go a little bit shorter than I usually would just because since I'm going to be working out and stuff, I lift weights and stuff. So I don't want to like ruin them. But I got the gray on the pointer finger and the pinky, and then I got pink on the middle finger and the thumb, and then silver on this one. I also successfully managed to get myself a pretzel. So can't wait to get outside. It's super, super cold in here. School stuff is out. This exit isn't even where my bike is parked or put, but like, it's so cold. Really finna have Andrew pick me up right now. My legs are dead. But we're home now. You know, my hair's dry because I knew that lady that I always get. I love her, but she always takes a super long time. Hey guys, so I know this is like a getting ready with me vlog. I decided that I'm going to throw in a little bonus footage, which is this footage. It is July 19th, it is 11 o'clock, and I'm going for my permit today. Hopefully I pass, but if I don't, I'll let you guys know. Hey guys, so it is July 21st, and my party is today. I'm obviously going to be vlogging, getting ready with me and everything. But the weather isn't supposed to be the nicest today, which kind of sucks, but it's kind of the only day we had to do it. And it's supposed to rain. It's like a 30% around 4 o'clock, and then it gets to a 50% at 5 o'clock, and then it's like a 90% at 7 o'clock. So it's definitely going to rain sometime. It's super windy. But all the decoration, not all of them, but some of them are set up. I love them. They look absolutely adorable. I wanted kind of just like a small like kind of family get together. It's not like anything like a big party. I know it's a sweet 16. People spend like thousands of dollars on sweet 16s. I just wanted something like really cute, simple at home that's just like kind of me. Here's the patio. The noise you're hearing is the hot tub right now, but here's the patio. It has all these little puffballs and the stars. I really love those little pink pom-poms right there. And over there is the pool area. Are the bean bags and everything. Here's a little fire. And then we have like a volleyball net over there. Thing over here. He said I'm the best.
Wait a minute.
Oh, what's in here?
So much.
Drinks? More drinks? Oh, we got the big soda. Oh my god. She hates plastic bags the most. What? Maybe it's just thin.
Shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near.
That would be say you okay. I actually had ones for.
Points in blaming you, you did not know. Oh. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I give you everything.
So my makeup is finished. A little bit of glitter got done here, which is kind of annoying. But my makeup's done. I just need to do my hair and slip on my dress, and then I'll see you guys later.
Yep.
But she took the
What
onion.
is it?
I don't know what it is, but it's good.
Nasty.
That's why you're eating it.
Dude, I haven't had cheese puff in like years.
Can I freeze this or no?
It's 3:30.
Can I freeze
I
this?
took off my lashes because it was really windy out this morning. My glitter has fallen down. When it's windy, it makes my eyes water, and obviously if my eyes water, my eyelashes are gonna come off. So I just thought I'd rip them off, so I did. And I changed into some comfier clothes. So did Carly. And it's because it's cold. It's not like the best weather out right now. And we're probably gonna be going to play volleyball soon. So I wanted to be warm. Obviously it's not cold, but like it's like really, really windy and there's no sun. So
She's gonna pick two names, and that'll be a team. John goes with John and Tori are a team.
sorry.
Okay.
Sorry.
Next team,
Watch me, Gregory.
Andrew.
Who?
Andrew. And Gregory Jr.
Oh God.
It's on the running now.
You got Andrew.
We're in the running yet, Jerry.
This is Rick.
All right, who's going first? Who's going first?
Done.
All right, Tori,
Well, who's gonna
Tori,
pick-
John,
who's gonna go-
Darian, and
Who's going first? The first two groups that were picked, right?
go.
You're down there.
The Quake tournament has begun. We got cousins against brother-in-laws.
Oh!
Tori word.
I might have been wrong.
like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own.
We lost.
We did. We're losers.
That was nice. It's currently starting to rain very lightly out. Like 10 and then 6.
That was a horror movie, wasn't it?
I lost count.
You lost count?
Darian, you started counting.
You know, in 6 months you're gonna be an actor.
No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh. I thought you were the one for me.
I got toys.
Whatever.
And this will be sideways for YouTube, just so you know. Alright, go ahead. Is the water warm?
Yeah. You got used to it.
Go ahead, girls.
Guys, good.
Go.
The hot tub's on. The hot tub's on. You got a hot tub.
They're not gonna.
Love us. If you love us. It's not
Come on, let's go.
Oh, God.
You close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the
It's colder out there.
She went.
Hot tub!
Come back.
Hey, Tori.
Lucky.
That better?
Yeah, I feel.
Cool.
I feel.
What is it, 103?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at your eyes! Raccoon. It's now 9 o'clock. I have my doctor here taking care of my toe. If you guys don't know, I've literally been like in and out of the doctors. I had like 6 surgeries in like the last couple of weeks on my toes. Both my feet, both sides of my big toe, I have super bad ingrown toenails. They get infected like really bad. I have to take like medications. Well, I had to, and they're just really bad. For anyone who didn't know, now you know. Anyways, it's 9 o'clock. I just took a shower because we went in the pool and stuff, so I wanted to wash my hair. I shaved and everything. And we're just gonna play Monopoly. I had a really, really fun night. Even though it did rain, we honestly made the best of it, and it was still super fun. We played quoits and everything. And I honestly had a great time, even if it did rain. It doesn't matter. It was still super, super fun. We're about to play Monopoly. and stay up super late, so it's gonna be really fun also. And yeah, just thank you to my parents, obviously, who set this up and did all this for me. I really appreciate it. I loved it, and I had such a fun time. But yeah, that was it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and want to see more vlogs, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also comment down below what types of other videos you want to see from me next. And bye guys. Love you.